Hi everyone, I'm Roy, developer and owner of Print OMS, PrintBit, and Yearbookville. Today I want to share something close to me, POS ng Bayan, a free POS web app for micro entrepreneurs. In this video, I'll talk about why I made it, the features, and I'll also show you how to sign up and a quick tour of the screens. So the question is why I created POS ng Bayan. POS ng Bayan actually started from conversation with my friends who run small businesses. Many of them said the same thing. Nahihirapan silang mag-record ng sales. Usually, manual lang sa notebook, walang idea kung pilay kita, kung pilay gastos, and most POS systems are, of course, mahal. Um, my monthly subscription. So they asked me if I can build a simple na POS. Bisan og basic lang, basta functional. So that's where POS ng Bayan started. By request of my friends, built for small Filipino entrepreneurs. So it is free and POS ng Bayan is for usually for mga sari-sari stores, small cafes, food carts, online sellers, or any micro businesses no na nagsugod lang. If you want something simple, clear, and free, then this is for you. So, ang features, mao na sila. It works on any device. It works offline. Bisan og wala internet, but first you need to connect to the internet, then pwede na i-disconnect. It has sales reports, customer management. It can track mga utang or credit no sa imong mga customers, product inventory tracking, and of course secure and private. You can access POS ng Bayan on your browser. So i-type lang dito ang POS ng bayan.com. And by the way, na ay mga fake nga website nga if na mura-mura pod sa POS ng Bayan ilang gisundog. I don't know what's the reason. So be careful no pag login. Make sure nga POS ng bayan.com ang website. Okay, so mo sign up ta. So to sign up, i-click na ning get started. Kung nana ka account, of course, enter lang imong email address and your password. Kung wala pa, click ang sign up. Yours address, gmail.com, password, create account. Okay, so this is the kanang main screen sa POS. It has some kanang products on it. So pwede na makita no or ma-increase ang iyang screen. Then napod tay product screen, na tay inventory screen, na utang management, na sales, na po'y gastos no, mga expenses para mahibaw-an nimo ang pila na imong gasto for the month and then sales for the month. So makita nimo ang net profit. So simple lang kayo. You can edit sa mga products nga na din pwede nimo i-enable, disable, Diri lang sa product screen. For example, sa Coca-Cola 65, wala ka na maligya Coca-Cola 65. Pwede mo na i-click. Then, delete this product. Confirm delete. So, nawa na si Coca-Cola 65. You can also add product name, description, barcode, selling price, quantity, and then category. So, sa POS, for example, let's say a customer buy Argentina corned beef. So, magawas din sa cart niya. The number of pieces, let's say, isa lang. Yeah. Order po siya Colgate. The total is 80. Assuming bayad si customer, click the button pay. So, na mga different methods. Either cash, GCash, Maya, card, others, o pwede po utangon. So, assuming cash, then the next field na ay amount received. So, assuming 100 iyang gibayad, 100. Pwede rin ka mo-click no, sa mga naka-preset na amount. So, 100, 200 ba ang gibayad or 500 ba? Denomination. Assuming 1,000 ang gibayad, so change is 920. Then, pwede sa di mo iputangan ang name sa customer. So, customer is Roy. Complete payment. Okay. So, in your sales screen, you can now see the cash transaction, which is 80. So, assuming there's another customer, nipalit o so may mga product ani Tanduay ram na po yung order niya is si Piatos cheese para sa Tanduay. Okay, 99 ayan total. So assuming ibayad si customer, pay 99, ang customer is iyang giutang man, so click lang the utang. So of course you have to type the name of the customer. So say 1, then the contact number 0907 123 567. Record utang. Okay. So at the utang screen, so nanay outstanding utang si Juan diha. Imong sales screen, since iutang man ang usa, you only have 80 pesos. Then going back to the utang screen, assuming ni bayad na si Juan, just have to click and then add payment for Juan. Let's say PI yung gibayad, pwede itingi-tingi or bayad tanan 99. Add payment. So paid na si Juan. If you go to the sales screen, na. So imong sales na is 179, then gibayad naman si Juan. Then sa utang screen, wala na yung utang, outstanding 0, collected 99, gibayad si Juan. So then ano po lang for the expenses. So it's a simple POS working functional, and I hope na magamit siya sa mga entrepreneurs. It's free, no need to think about in the future I'll be no. It will be free forever. So the goal is with POS is simple, no? To help small Filipino entrepreneurs manage their business better, even if they don't have the big budget for software. If you think this can help you or someone you know, feel free to try it and message me if you have suggestions or if you find bugs. PUS ng Bayan is still growing and your feedback helps a lot. Thank you for watching and salamat sa suporta sa local developer like me.